At the same time, my students are very sincere and they are completing their mathematics textbook as well as notebook. Students, are you enjoying the rain? Yes, you are enjoying a lot. So now we will also enjoy mathematics. See, कौन आया है आपसे मिलने? She is so cute, ना? You liked it? I also liked it. So students, now we will be starting, or I can say we have already started our chapter 4 of mathematics. This is part 2 video. Okay students, and in previous video we have completed our exercise 1 on page number 40 and exercise 2 on page number 41. Now in this video, first of all we will discuss the topic on page number 42. Then afterwards we will solve the exercise. So are you ready along with me? Let's start it. So students, now we will have a look upon the video that states that subtraction on the number line. This topic is based on our exercise 3 on page number 42. Okay students, so are you ready? Let's see it.
Used to subtract numbers. Example, let us subtract 2 from 5. Start from 0 and jump to 5. Now, count backwards.
Students, what was the question? We are supposed to subtract 5 minus 2. Then what we did? हमने क्या किया? We started from 0. मैंने 0 से 5 तक jump किया and it is subtraction. So हम वापस left hand side जाएंगे. जब भी एडिशन था तब हम यहाँ से वापस जंप करते थे, बट अब इट इज सब्ट्रैक्शन. आप पहले 5 स्टेप्स चले, उसके बाद आप वापस कितने स्टेप्स आए? 2 स्टेप्स. तो 1 2. सो वेयर डू यू रीच? दिस विल बी योर फाइनल आंसर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स,
You land on 3. The answer is 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Subtraction in column.
now students, this topic is related to our exercise 4, that is subtraction in columns on page number 43. Okay students?
Subtraction is done horizontally as well as vertically. The answer is same in both the cases.
What is written here? यहाँ पे ये लिखा है कि subtraction दोनों तरीके से हो सकता है, horizontal और vertical, और हम जो भी तरीका करें हमारा आंसर will be same. Okay students?
Okay, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4.
See, 7 minus 3 equals to 4. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Okay students? एक horizontal है और एक vertical, but हमारा आंसर क्या आया? Same आया. Okay students?
Properties of subtraction.
Oh, now it comes to properties. That is our exercise. That topic comes after our exercise 5. But hold on. First, let's solve our exercise 3 and 4 in your textbook. Are you ready? Let's start it. So students, you have opened your textbook as well as I have opened my page. Page number 42 of your textbook. Exercise 3. Okay students, we have discussed this topic in the video, remember? Yes, you remember it very well. Now, we will be solving our exercise sums. Okay students, let's go for it. What is my question? 5 minus 1. So from where will ma'am start? Yes, very good. Ma'am will start from 0 and ma'am will go to 5. 5 minus 1 है, तो मैम क्या करेंगे? मैम 0 से जंप करेंगे 5 तक. अब माइनस है, जब भी माइनस होगा ना तो ये वाला वापस इस तरफ जाएगा. What is the question? 4 minus 3. So from where ma'am will start the counting? Yes, ma'am will start from 4. Sorry, ma'am will start from 0 and ma'am will reach to 4. Now, how many steps? Listen, ma'am ने 0 से चलना स्टार्ट किया 4 पर, फिर मैम भूल गए दैट कि वो चलते चलते पेन कहीं पर रख दिया होगा या छोड़ दिया होगा, गिर गया होगा, फिर वापस गए मैम, दैट इज सब्ट्रैक्शन। आगे चलना तो एडिशन, वापस जाना तो सब्ट्रैक्शन। नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन? 4 तक तो पहुंच गए मैम, देन ही फॉरगॉट, देन आई फॉरगॉट इट, क्या आई फॉरगॉटन माय पेन, आई विल कम बैक। मैं कितने पीछे स्टेप्स आऊंगी? यस, 3 steps. 1 2 or 1 2 3. 1 2 3. What will be my answer? 1. 4 minus 3 1. Remember students, आप यहाँ पर पहुँचो तो इसे नहीं गिनोगे, ओके? आप यहाँ से फिर वापस चलना शुरू करोगे, 1 step, 2 step and 3 step. Okay students, now this sum is your homework. Okay, should I move to our exercise 4? Okay students, here is our exercise 4. Subtraction in columns, vertical and horizontal. Remember? Let's start it. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. What will be my answer? 2. Same. 5 minus 3. What will be my answer? 2. Now let's solve the second one. 3 minus 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2. What will be left? Yes, 1. 1 will be coming here. 1 will be coming here. Now let's do it again. 9 minus 3. What can we do? Yes, now we can make 9 circles also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. मैम ने 9 सर्कल्स बनाए, जो फर्स्ट नंबर है मैम ने उसके सर्कल्स बनाए. Now what happened? The 3 broke down, so I will cut the 3. Now how many circles are left? I will count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So my answer will be 6. और मैं आपको फिंगर्स से करके दिखा देती हूँ. 9 minus 3. What is my answer? 6. Let's do it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 minus 3. 1 2 3. What is my answer? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So my answer is 6. Okay students, आप सर्कल बनाकर भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, आप फिंगर्स से भी काउंट कर सकते हैं. फिंगर्स के अंदर जो छोटे छोटे से बॉक्सेस है आप उससे भी काउंट कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ दिस सम नंबर 4, सम नंबर 6 एंड सम नंबर 5 इज योर homework. Okay students, and this will play as an assessment also, so I can come to know that Nalauri students are able to solve it. Okay students, hold on students. Here is our exercise 5. Okay students, subtract from color the balloon as directed. Balloon with number greater than 5. Just जिसका आंसर 5 से बड़ा आता है, I have to use red color for it. जिसका आंसर 5 से छोटा आता है, I have to use yellow color for it. Okay students, so let's do it. 6 minus 6, आपके पास 6 chocolates थी. You ate all chocolates. How many chocolates are left with you? Yes, 0 chocolates. Now, this answer is less than 5. So, I will color yellow in it. Okay, students. Now, let's come on this. 5 minus 4. What will be my answer? Yes, so smart. 1. This is also less than 5. So, what I will be doing? I will be coloring it with yellow. Now let's solve it. 8 minus 0. आपके पास 8 chocolates थी. आपने किसी को भी नहीं दी. So how many chocolates will be left with you? 8. But that bad manners. You have to share your chocolate. Okay. Now see, this 8 is greater than 5. So you are supposed to color it red. I have red color. So I will color this properly. My lovely students will do this. Okay students. You will complete this drawing and the remaining 3 balloons are left for you. Okay students. Now we will discuss the next topic in next video. Till that, stay fit, stay healthy. If you go out, wear your mask. Keep sanitizing.